This is the portable photo light box with 4 color backdrops and 2 LED light bars, offering 2 updated designed light bars with 252 LED beads that can be moved and rotated at multiple angles. And it comes with 4 colors of backdrops, black, white, blue, and orange, which can create a different professional scene and very easy to install. Just fix the background paper in the top and bottom slots, and the interior of the box is made of reflective material, which can make the light more uniform. The ultra large size and multiple shooting angles, the large size box can accommodate a wide size range of objects, providing multiple angles for you to get the best photo of the object and fully display the product. It's easy to install. The frame of the photo studio has zippers and connecting tubes, and no tools are required for installation and removal. Comes with a all-in-one carrying bag, which is very convenient. And what you'll get, you get the Photo Studio light box, 2 LED light bars, 8 3-way connector, 12 connecting tubes, 1 dimmer, 1 power adapter, 1 soft cloth, 4 background papers, and 1 all-in carry bag.